Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Deen Daily, your go-to place for all things related to a beautiful faith. Today we are diving into a topic that is close to the heart of many: how to start learning Deen. Whether you're just beginning your journey or looking to deepen your understanding of Islam, I'm here to share some tips to help you along the way. Okay? You might be thinking, learning Deen seems overwhelming. Where do I even start? And how do I balance it with my studies or work? Right? So trust me, it's a journey and every small step counts. Okay. So let's explore how you can begin or enhance your understanding of Islam and balance it with your daily commitments or daily responsibilities. Okay. So the first and the most important source of seeking knowledge in Islam is, of course, the Quran, right? It's a direct connection to Allah and the foundation of our deen. Here's how you can begin your learning journey while balancing it with your studies. So, start with the Quran, recitation, and understanding. Begin by reading the Quran daily, even if it's just a few verses, but don't stop there. Okay? Make sure to understand what you're reading. Use translations or tafsirs to grasp the deeper meanings. Then, after reading, take a few moments to reflect on how the verses uh, apply to your life. Ask yourself, what is Allah trying to teach me here? Okay, so writing down your reflections and thoughts can help you reinforce your understanding. It's like a spiritual diary that you can look up to, right? And here's a tip: schedule your Deen study sessions just like you would do to your studies or to your school or university studies. So, consistent is a key. Then you can learn from the Hadith. Okay, so the Hadith are the sayings of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and are essential in studying or understanding how to live according to the Quran. Okay, start with well known collections like Sahih al Bukhari, Sahih al Muslim, and then try to implement one Hadith into your daily life. For example, if you learn about kindness, okay, the importance of kindness, make an effort to be kind to everyone you meet. Okay, so it's also beneficial to listen to scholars and who explain the hadith in the context of today's world. This can make the teachings more relatable and easier to apply. And remember, balancing deen and studies isn't about overwhelming yourself. Okay, so integrate small, manageable pieces of Islamic knowledge into your daily routine. Seek knowledge from scholars. Attend local classes or lectures if you can. There are also plenty of reliable online courses and lectures by respected scholars. Websites like Bayyina, Al Maghrib, and Seeker's Guidance offer great resources. Never hesitate to ask questions. Islam encourages us to seek knowledge and clear any doubts we have. You can ask a scholar or a knowledgeable friend, or even leave a comment here on Deen TV. So remember, learning Deen isn't just about acquiring knowledge, it's about understanding and implementing it. Discuss what you've learned with friends or family. Teaching others is one of the best ways to reinforce your knowledge. And if you're balancing school or work with your Deen studies, consider forming a study group where you can discuss both your academic subjects and Islamic teachings. This might help. Okay. Then balancing Deen with studies. Let's understand this, how to do it. Okay. So the first thing is time management. So one of the biggest challenges is finding time for both Deen and studies. So prioritize your time by creating a schedule that includes both your religious and academic commitments. Even 15 minutes a day dedicated to learning deep can make a big difference. Okay. Integrating faith into studies. Consider how your faith can enhance your studies. For instance, starting your study sessions with a short dua, or seeking Allah's help in understanding complex topics, or reflecting on Islamic perspectives within your field of study can help you integrate both aspects of your life. Stress management through faith. When studies get stressful, turn to prayer and reflection. Remember that maintaining a balance between deen and dunya is a key to success. Trust in Allah and seek His guidance in all aspects of your life. Lastly, make dua regularly for Allah to guide you in your journey to learn Deen. Ask Him to open your heart to knowledge, make it easy for you to understand, and help you apply it in your daily life. Learning Deen is a lifelong journey. Remember that. It's not about how much you know, but how consistent you are. Even if it's just learning one small thing every day, it all adds up. So, inshallah, may Allah make it easy for us to learn and implement the teachings of our beautiful deen while balancing it with our daily commitments or daily responsibilities. So, if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. Also, hit the subscribe button so you never miss our latest content. So, before you go, I'd love to know how do you balance your deen with your studies or your work? So, drop it in the comments below. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum.